welcome back to our channel. My name is Bea, her name is Luna, and today we're going to be opening the Squishy and Actual Delectables and our Shopkins for the exclusive Shopkins. And Shopkins. And today's shout out goes to... So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Before this video starts, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Hey guys, we're back, and the first thing we're going to be opening is the Squishy. And I think it's going to be the llama one. Luna, what do you think it's going to be? I think it's going to be the unicorn up there.
So let's show them what they think. So Luna thinks it's going to be a unicorn. I don't see where she sees a unicorn.
No,
but somewhere up here.
The unicorn's right there.
Okay, it's right there. I don't know what she means. And then Bea says she thinks it's a what?
Llama.
The llama right here. Okay. So let's open it. Okay, Missy? I have to cut it for you guys. I'm going to let the camera get a sneak peek before you guys actually do. Because of this. Okay. Let's see who's right. I think it is this little one right here. That's what I think it is. So let's see actually what it is. Because, okay. So this is how it looks. Okay, ready? 3. So you guys still think, you guys believe what you guys picked, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's there's no thing in here, nothing in. 3, 2, 1. Here, Luna, hold it, get it. It's the one I said. Luna, let's show them how it looks. So this is the one I really wanted. It's so cute, guys. Look how cute this is.
You can also get another one which is blue and it's leaking out green.
This is so cute, guys. And it smells so good.
I really wanted the little kitty with the little bee.
I wanted this one. This one looks so cute, guys.
I really wanted this one. I really wanted this one. It's shiny. The pink. I really wanted this so you can get a close up. I really wanted this little titty.
So Luna really wanted this little kitty, but she said she was going to be a unicorn.
It's slow rising. Or fast. It's fast.
Okay, so now let's get started to opening the Hatchimal. So let's go.
So guys, let's get started opening the Hatchimal collectibles. We got the little house. It is a glittering garden. It's called
a Hatchy Home. So I'm going to have to cut it for them because this looks like it's very hard to open. So that's how the back looks. So let's cut it for them. We're going to mess up this little thing. Let's see. I honestly do not know how to open it.
Her eyes are so green. Her eyes are so green. Like it's squishy. It says Squishy.
Oh, it's a light up Nid Luminix. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna. We'll be back once we have this open because this is very hard to open right now. So We'll be back once we can be able to get this. Oh wait, hold on. I got it. Never mind. So we're back. Okay, let me put these scissors down before I close my eye out. Okay, so nice.
I guess you didn't need to cut it.
I did not. I need my muscles. I'm strong here.
I am strong.
Okay.
I am strong now.
So here you guys go. The Hatchimal thing.
Okay. You can open the egg. Okay. How do you get this thing out?
We're back and we got everything open. So this is how everything looks. And we're wondering how to open the egg. Well, we opened the one egg before, but this one is very hard to open. So we're still trying to figure out how to open this because
I remember I opened one already. I remember.
Hey guys, the egg's cracking. Luna's gonna crack it open. What do you think it's gonna be? So she's a little sad because she's her head right now.
I think it's gonna be a doggy.
It's cracking, Luna. It's cracking.
It's blue. Trying to track it open.
Okay, you need help? Okay, so she needs. Luna, you want to go sit back down?
Yeah, how do I know how to open it?
Okay, so you gotta put your finger in the middle and crack it.
I think it's gonna be the doggy.
By the way, this is not sponsored.
I wanna open it.
So
I wanna
it's
open
so
it.
cute, guys. Okay,
wanna
when
open
open,
it.
well, basically already open.
Mm.
You saw it? So guys, this is what we got.
I got it right.
This is so cute, guys.
I'm
It's just so
serious.
cute.
Guys, I got it right.
And the egg is really cute, so we're gonna keep this as a little house.
It has a heart in the middle. So when
It's it on the box. Where's the box? Right here. See? Oh, I can get it. Okay,
It
so
lights
this is the
up.
box. It even says what you're gonna get. That ruins the surprise, so that's a big. By the way, this is not sponsored.
What if you put them
You
up
already
top?
said
What if you
Is
put
it?
them up
I
top?
don't remember.
What if
Okay,
you
well,
put them up top
This
here?
is a little house you got for the
And
dog.
the house could also connect with other
Here's the
houses.
egg you want it. Okay.
I want it.
So now we're gonna move on to opening the Shopkins. Shopkins. Let's go. Okay, guys, the egg's cracking. Luna's gonna crack it open. What do you think it's gonna be? So
I
she's
think
a little
it's gonna
sad
be the
because her
doggy.
she's her head right now.
I think it's gonna be a doggy.
It's cracking, Luna. It's cracking.
It's blue. Trying to track it open.
Okay, you need help? Okay, so she needs. Luna, you want to go sit back down?
Yeah, how do I know how to open it?
Okay, so you gotta put your finger in the middle and crack it.
I think it's gonna be the doggy.
By the way, this is not sponsored.
I wanna open it.
So
I'm
it's
gonna open
so
it.
cute, guys. Okay,
wanna
when
open
open,
it.
well, basically already open.
Mm.
You saw it? So guys, this is what we got.
I got it right.
This is so cute, guys.
I'm
It's just so
serious.
cute.
Guys, I got it right.
And the egg is really cute, so we're gonna keep this as a little house.
It has a heart in the middle. So when
It's it on the box. Where's the box? Right here. See? Oh, I can get it. Okay,
It
so this
lights
is the
up.
box. It even says what you're gonna get. That ruins the surprise, so that's a big. By the way, this is not sponsored.
what if you put them
You
up
already
top?
said
What if you
Is
put
it?
them up
I
top?
don't remember.
What if
Okay,
you
well,
put them up top
This
here?
is a little house you got for the
And
dog.
the house could also connect with other
Here's the
houses.
egg you want it. Okay.
I want it.
So now we're gonna move on to opening the Shopkins. Shopkins. Let's go.
The
Sorry
egg
for my
like-
singing.
I want the egg just like Mom.
Do you guys want to open the
Please
Shopkins
don't
now?
chop the whole thing open.
So guys, we're back. So now we're gonna be opening the Shopkins for the exclusive Shopkins. So now let's get to opening them.
Mhm. Okay. So Bea's gonna be lining them up, and then I'm gonna be telling you guys the names. So let's go. Guys, we're lining them up, and Bea's gonna be pointing at the first one I'm gonna call right now. So, pointing at the first one, Bea, which side are we starting? Okay, Wobbles, Pineapple Crush, I don't know what technically. Comment down below how do you guys say the name. I do not know how to say the name. Okay, the next one is Grand Jam, Popsicle, Pretzel L, Snow Crush, and Posh Pear. So now let's move on to round 2. Okay, guys, we're back now. Luna's gonna be pointing to them, okay? Mini Muffin, Cool Cube, Creamy Bun, Ice Cream Dream, Miss Twist, Frankfurter, Coolio, and Jellybean. So now let's move on to round
3.
Now Bea's gonna be pointing to them. Ready? Miss Mushy Moo, Cheeky Chocolate, Cheesy, Toops, Lollipoppins, Little Stipper, Fish Sticks, Weenie Coat. So now let's move on to round 4. Point at them. Ready? Cheesy Bee, Strawberry Kiss, Alpha Soup, Pod Pizza, Tomato Ketchup, Bubbles, Rainbow Bite, Rockin' Brock. So now let's move on to round
3.
we have is Scrubs, Swiss Miss, Apple Blossom, Lippy Lips, and we are missing one, which is a carrier bag, Freezy Peas, Nutty Butter, and
Yoshi.
Yoshi! Okay, so now that is it for our Shopkin.
The
Shopkins,
toothbrush
Shopkins,
goes.
Shopkins.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.